Continuing its wait-and-see approach, the U.S. Central Bank freezes interest rates during this year's first Fed meeting. Our Lee Seung-jae has more.
The Federal Reserve held its benchmark interest rate steady on Wednesday after all 10 members of the Fed's rate-setting committee voted in favor of it. The benchmark funds rate remains in a range between 1.5% to 1.75%, where it has been since the latter part of last year. It marks the second straight meeting the Fed has stood pat on rates after 3 consecutive reductions in 2019. The Fed's statement signaled a mixed assessment of the U.S. economic outlook. It described consumer spending as moderate, which is a downgrade from strong in December, adding that business investment is still weak. Fed officials say maintaining the interest rate would help to bring inflation closer to the Fed's 2% target after it fell short of that goal last year. Fed Chairman Jerome Powell said that the Fed is monitoring a number of potential risks, including the coronavirus outbreak in China.
And it's very uncertain about how far it will spread and what the macroeconomic effects will be in China, in its immediate trading partners and neighbors, and around the world. So in light of that uncertainty, we are very carefully monitoring the situation.
Lee Seung-jae, Arirang News.